And when data workflows start getting complex, choosing the right orchestration tool becomes critical. And that's where Apache Airflow, Dagster, and Prefect come into the picture. But deciding which one actually streamlines your operations isn't as simple as picking the most popular option. Starting with Apache Airflow. It's one of the most widely used orchestration tools, known for its DAG-based scheduling system and strong community support. It's highly flexible and powerful, but it can feel complex to set up and maintain, especially for beginners. And that complexity naturally connects to its learning curve. Dagster, on the other hand, takes a more modern approach by focusing on data awareness and observability. It treats data pipelines as software assets, offering better debugging, testing, and visibility into workflows. This makes it particularly appealing for teams that want more control and clarity, and it bridges the gap between engineering and data teams more effectively. Then there's Prefect, which aims to simplify everything by offering a cleaner, developer-friendly experience. It removes many of the pain points associated with Airflow, such as complicated scheduling and infrastructure management, while still providing powerful orchestration capabilities. Prefect feels more intuitive, and that's why many newer teams gravitate toward it. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where the differences become more practical. Apache Airflow itself is open source and free, but you'll need to manage infrastructure, which can add indirect costs like servers and maintenance. Dagster also offers an open source version, but its Dagster cloud service comes with paid plans depending on usage, team size, and features. Prefect follows a similar model. It has a free open source core, but its Prefect Cloud includes pricing tiers based on workflow runs, storage, and advanced features. So, while all three tools can technically be used for free, the real cost depends on how much you rely on their managed cloud services. And that's an important detail when comparing them. When you connect everything together, the differences become clearer. Airflow is ideal if you want a battle-tested, highly flexible platform with a massive ecosystem. Dagster is better if you prioritize data visibility, testing, and modern pipeline design. Prefect stands out for those who want simplicity, ease of use, and faster setup without heavy infrastructure headaches. So in the end, there's no single winner for everyone. If your focus is power and community support, Airflow is the strongest choice. If you want modern data-centric workflows, Dagster takes the lead. But if your goal is simplicity and developer experience, Prefect might be the one that truly streamlines your operations. And that balance is what ultimately defines the best platform for your needs. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.